Hello friends, this phone is a OPPO A53. This phone came as a restarting condition. So now you can see the phone is normal. So before it keep restarting, then the display was not working. Okay, the display totally blank. Then I open the back cover. Then now you can see the phone is working fine. So the problem is this tips is very useful for the technician. So when I dismantle it, then I notice the button is you can see is totally very badly damaged. You see the center part here should be a bump, right? But here this height rubber already very badly damaged. So I notice when the volume down and the power button, both button are they intact inside. Means if this rubber in good condition, then after we press the button should be remain outside only, right? But I noticed the button keep pressing inside, so that's the reason the phone was keep restarting. So this restarting problem can be happen due to the button spoil, right? So when the volume down and power button press together, it keep restart. And also sometimes if battery also if don't provide the sufficient amount of current, then due to battery also the phone can be restart, right? So the third option is sometimes CPU side get dry sold. So when we revolve the CPU, then it works. So how to confirm due to the battery or the button or the CPU? So we use the DC power supply, right? So this is our DC power supply. So to confirm which side the fault, I tested with the DC power. So DC power, this machine can tell us the proper reason, right? So when I tested with the DC power, then I noticed the phone normally got on. Then when I connect back the battery connector, now the phone is working fine, right? So you can see now no restart, nothing, so it's working fine. So so we're going to change the battery plus the button. So battery, yeah, as long as we open the cover, so better change the battery as well. Okay. So if you want to see how to test with the DC power, I will quickly show you. So first we need to on, then here we need to set up the voltage and current. So this thing all we teach to our students, so we provide the training also. So this is the boot cable. So I need to find the proper connector for the phone. Okay, so this is the connector, so we can disconnect the battery connector. Then now we can see the current consumption, and here you can see the logo already appear. So you can see both the current on the DC power and the phone behavior. So you can see now it's taking around 800 plus. That means the phone properly booting up. So while like this testing time, if the current stuck, right, if it take like few milliamps only, then it's stuck. That means we need to do the CPU revolving. Okay, so you can see now the phone with DC power is normally getting on. Okay, so that's how I tested. So if with DC it on, then with battery cannot on, then we need to change the battery. Or if with DC if the value stuck, then we need to revolve the CPU. Okay, so that's how we can check one by one, step by step you can check. So if you want to learn all this, you can join our institute. Okay, so we teach all the things step by step. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.